Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles or widgets, I would call. Scroll through the list and see if you have the blood oxygen widget. And by default, it probably won't be here. So as you can see, we have heart rate, ACG, alarm, and the blood pressure, but we don't have the blood oxygen. And we can add it. So basically you need to scroll all the way to the right, tap on add tiles, scroll through the list right here, find the blood oxygen, right here, tap on it, and it should add the blood oxygen widget. Now we can find it, and we can tap on measure to start measuring the blood oxygen. Let's swipe left. And here we have our result. And once you're done, you can tap also on the tag button to select the tag for your result, like this. And you can then tap on measure button again if you want to measure the blood oxygen level again. And once you're done, you can also press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also enable the automatic blood level oxygens or blood oxygen levels measurement during the sleep if you want to. And to do it, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon. Here find the option called Samsung Health and tap on it, and then scroll down, find the option called blood oxygen during sleep, tap on the switch to enable it. And if you enable it, your watch will measure the blood oxygen levels while you're sleeping. And if you disable it, it won't be doing that. Remember that if you enable that option, or this option rather, it will cost you the battery life on your watch. It will use more battery and it will last, won't last as long as it would if you disable it. So be aware of that. Okay, then let's press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.